Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Binge app on your PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, open up your Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure that you do not open any other browser because it won't work in other browsers. After that, at the address bar, head over to Binge website. Now, click on the three dots which is at the top right corner of your screen. You can also click Alt F on your keyboard. Now, hover your mouse to the Apps section here and you can see Install this site as an app. Click on it. Now, name this app. After that, click on Install button. Now, you can pin this application on your taskbar and restart here. You can also create the desktop shortcut for it by checking this box. And you can auto start on the device login. After that, click on Allow button. So, that is how you can download Binge application on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.